Did you know that not everything breaks wudu, even after eating meat? This beautiful hadith teaches us ease, clarity and mercy in Islam. Abu Bakr, Umar, and Uthman ate such food but did not repeat ablution. Hadith narrated Abdullah bin Abbas, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, ate a piece of cooked mutton from the shoulder region and prayed without repeating ablution. Narrated Jafar bin Amr bin Umayyah, my father said, I saw Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, taking a piece of cooked mutton from the shoulder region, and then he was called for prayer. He put his knife down and prayed without repeating ablution. Explanation: this hadith teaches us an important rule in Islam. Eating cooked food does not break wudu. Some people think they must repeat ablution after eating meat. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, showed us through action that this is not required. Islam is not based on confusion. Islam is based on ease, clarity and balance. Lesson 1. Wudu is broken only by what Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, clearly mentioned, not by assumptions. Lesson 2. The Sunnah is learned not only by words but by actions. Lesson 3. Islam does not make worship difficult. Allah wants ease for us, not hardship. When we follow the Sunnah correctly, our worship becomes lighter, our hearts become calmer, and our faith becomes stronger. If this hadith helped you understand Islam more clearly, please support this journey of knowledge. Like the video, share it with someone you love, subscribe to my channel to be a part of Sadaqah Jariyah, and press the bell icon so you never miss a reminder. May Allah reward you for spreading knowledge. Jazakallahu khair.